In this video, I'll show you how to use NotebookLM to study for your exams quickly and effectively. To get started, I'll head over to the NotebookLM homepage and click on the Create New button to start a fresh project. Now, I'm going to upload my study materials, so I'll click Upload Files and select this AI Research Summary PDF from my computer. Once it's uploaded, the tool immediately processes the document and generates a concise overview of the entire paper. This summary breaks down the core concepts like machine learning and deep learning, while also highlighting the practical applications and ethical risks mentioned in the text. If I want to dig deeper into specific topics, I can click on one of the suggested questions, such as asking about the ethical risks and benefits of AI development. The AI sifts through the pages to provide a structured response, listing benefits like speed and accuracy alongside risks like bias and job displacement. Next, I'll ask a custom question to clarify the difference between narrow and general AI based on the research. The result explains that narrow AI is designed for specific tasks like fraud detection, while general AI represents a human-level intelligence that doesn't fully exist yet. To visualize the information, I'll open the Studio panel on the right and select the Mind Map, Quiz, and Flashcard option. In Mind Map, I can expand the different branches to see how foundations, types, and applications of AI are interconnected, which is great for understanding the big picture. For active recall, I'll switch to the Quiz tool to test my knowledge with interactive questions. Finally, I'll open the Flashcards tool to review key terms and definitions. I can flip through cards on topics like deep learning and neural networks to make sure I've mastered all the technical vocabulary before my exam. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.